Today we're diving into the GE192-zone Prog LCD keypad with integrated 48-zone wireless receiver, also known as the NX148ERF. This keypad is designed for those serious about home or business security, offering an impressive 192 zones for comprehensive coverage. Whether you're looking to secure a large estate or a commercial property, this keypad promises robust functionality and ease of use. One of the standout features of the NX148ERF is its integration of a 48-zone wireless receiver, which adds flexibility in installation without compromising on security. This means you can expand your system effortlessly with wireless sensors, enhancing detection capabilities without the need for extensive wiring. Navigating the keypad is straightforward, thanks to its LCD interface that provides clear and intuitive control over the system. Users can easily arm, disarm different zones, check system status, and customize settings directly from the keypad. For those who prioritize convenience without sacrificing security, this keypad offers a seamless experience. Installation is relatively simple for those familiar with security systems, though first-time users may benefit from professional setup to ensure all features are optimized. Once installed, the keypad integrates seamlessly into existing security systems, providing peace of mind with its reliable performance. In terms of design, the NX148ERF is ergonomic and blends well with modern interiors, making it a practical addition to any security setup. Its durable construction ensures longevity, promising years of reliable service without frequent maintenance. Overall, the GE192-zone Prog LCD keypad with integrated 48-zone wireless receiver stands out as a top choice for users seeking a high-capacity, versatile security solution. Whether you're upgrading an existing system or starting fresh, this keypad offers the features and performance needed to protect what matters most.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.